especially about makeup products when you use. So they are just showing that you will become fair or something like that, and it would be acne free and pimple free. So it is not really true.
Yes, it's totally waste of money, according to me. I don't like this kind of stuff.
So how are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. What's about you?
Yeah, I'm good. But yeah, now little bit feeling cold and fever.
Okay, due to weather.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, nowadays, yeah. So
Yeah, because of
so where,
cold weather, you can say.
so where are you from?
I'm from Bhopal.
Bhopal.
Yes.
Okay.
So may I know about you as well? Like, what do you do?
Of course. First of all, my name is Menika. I am a homemaker, moreover mother. Currently, I am pursuing Master of Commerce and simultaneously I am running my YouTube channel. That's it. And if I talk about where I belong from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand.
Yes.
Okay. So you are running your YouTube channel as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty nice.
So you also give your introduction, please.
Yeah, sure. So my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. My qualification, I have done engineering from computer science, and I am working in IT sector for 4 years, and I'm also a
Oh, wow.
YouTuber.
Okay. You are a working. Okay, that's
Yes.
great. So how you manage your time?
Okay, so nowadays I'm working from home. So since morning till evening I work from home. So after that I get time because I'm in my hometown, so I don't need to go anywhere. So that's why I can manage.
Okay, that's great. And what's your hobby?
Yes, my hobbies, I love to do drawing and dancing. I don't get much time to do these activities, but yeah, especially on weekends and when I get bored, then I do it.
Free time.
Yes, you can say this. Usually I
Okay.
don't get free time, but yeah, you can say that when I get bored and I don't want to do anything else apart from studies and all these things, then I do it.
Okay, so your study is going on?
Oh, like my job is kind of you need to learn something
Yes,
daily,
yeah.
so you
Okay,
can.
okay. Okay, okay.
And
That is different.
nowadays I'm focusing on English as well, so I need to learn this language as well.
Okay. Only for communication?
Uh, yes, you can say because in my workplace I have to speak in English only, so that's why I face difficulties sometimes. So that's why I'm trying to improve myself.
Now you able to can do a conversation with your colleagues in your office.
Yes, I am able to do, but yeah, sometimes I struggle with native speakers because my manager is from USA
Yes.
and he speaks
And their
very
accent is
fast.
totally different.
Yes, yes, and I need to more focused when I'm talking with him, so I need
Mm,
to be more attentive that time.
yes. Actually, na native speaker, their accent is totally different.
Mhm.
Yes. And that's why we are not able to understand.
Yes, it happens.
Yes.
But
Yes.
yeah, I'm not getting this kind of, people that with whom I can talk like this. Because with manager, I'm just talking only about my job things. That's it
Mm.
only. And when it comes to casual talk, so I feel little bit nervous. But yeah, I have improved a lot in past 8 months, I can say, and I'm
Mm.
able to speak now little bit.
Okay, that's good. So how long have you been doing conversation with one-to-one co-learner on YouTube?
Yes, I think it's been 8 months now.
Oh, wow. That's great.
And what about you?
Mm. Okay, if I talk about my speaking journey, it's a conversation it was the first conversation with Rajni ma'am, like 5 months completed. Yes,
Okay. And I
and
think your face is familiar already. I think I have seen some of videos.
maybe, maybe,
Because
maybe.
like if you are watching conversational videos, and so same kind of videos will appear in your feed. So definitely I have seen you
Hmm.
before as well.
Yes,
So
yes,
what do
yes.
you like to do in your spare time?
Actually, I have no too much spare time there. Being a housewife, being a mother, take care of or doing all the stuff. But when I have a free time, that time I utilize my time in a study, and I like to read book in free time.
Okay.
Yes.
So, like you are studying also, right? You are doing your master.
Master. Hmm.
Okay. It
Yes.
would be
But
quite
I'm not
difficult to
going to
manage all this.
college. No, it's not typical for me. Actually, I'm not a student who go to college regular. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's also typical for me to go to college and do a household work, manage your. That's it. Not possible for me.
So,
That's
do
why.
you have any plan that yes, I have to do something when you
Yes,
are?
I have plan. Actually, I have a diploma degree of teaching. Earlier, I was teaching in school,
Okay.
and yes, and when I will complete my education, then I will again join private school, not a government. I'm not too much in this time. It's become a rocket science to crack a government exam.
Yes,
Yes,
and yes, and now you have like other responsibilities as well. So that's why sometimes
yeah,
it's difficult to manage.
yes. If you are preparing any kind of government exam, it means you have a full time, full focus. Then you will able to crack. And if you are doing lots of stuff, then you will focus on your study. It's not possible because you have only a limited hour,
Mm-hmm.
maybe 2 hour, 3 hours. So how is possible?
Yes,
According
even
to
I was kind of a studious girl since my school days, but still I haven't thought about that I have to do government job. I don't know why, but I haven't thought about doing government job. So everyone told me that time, you are, you are good at studies, so you should
Mhm.
try in government sector as well.
The same reason happening with me. Actually, my parents always push me, you are good, you can crack, you can crack. But
Mhm.
because I have lots of work, lots of stuff to do, so how is possible? How to
Hmm.
save, like if you are preparing any kind of, must you have a 5 to 6 hour for study.
Yes,
Yeah,
right. Hmm, hmm, hmm.
then you will able to crack. Otherwise, it's not a piece of cake for everyone to crack a government exam. And
Yes,
nowadays,
and
competition level is increasing day by day.
yes, competition, and you have to give time. You can't predict
Hmm,
that,
yes,
yes, in this time you can achieve this thing. And it's
yes.
not only about that people who are studying a lot, so they can easily crack. It's not like that.
No, 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 no. No, that is not true. But like some people, they only show off.
Yes,
I'm
we are
studying
preparing for.
full time, but reality is totally different. Yes, yes.
Yes, right.
Some
So
people
both
just
both the things are different. If you are studying, 8 to 9 hours, and some people are studying for 3 to 4 hours, and that is different.
make sure if you are studying like 3 to 4 hours, make sure that time full focus. No one disturb at that time.
Yes.
Yes, and when you become a mother, so as possible you focus. Sometimes your kids come, Mama, I want to this, I want to this, I want to play with you. It
Mhm.
means always. And you, or no, it is not also good. You always scold your kid. No,
Yes. And
because
now you
is
have to give time to them as well. So, yeah.
yes. Okay, so you have
Okay,
any
so
topic to discuss?
one topic is coming in my mind. Have
Mhm.
you heard about celebrity endorsement of product?
No.
If I would say that, for example, any company hire a famous personality to show their product,
Mhm.
like to advertise their products. It is
Mhm.
called celebrity endorsement. For example, you have seen so
I
many
mean,
advertisement in
yes,
TV.
yes.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
like
So,
Maggie. Just simple
hmm,
take a Maggie example. Nowadays, Maggie, MS Dhoni.
yes,
Yes, nowadays
yes.
I don't know, but earlier he was. Uh,
So
yes,
I would like to ask a question, like, in your opinion, that is good or not? If some celebrity is advertising something, so it is good or not, according to you?
yes. If I talk about my opinion, it's totally not good because celebrity also know what is the disadvantage of this product.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays, I don't know today, but earlier MS Dhoni was uh, adding like Maggie's, yeah. But
Mm-hmm.
we know that it's a very harmful for kids, everyone.
Mm-hmm.
But they only doing that kind of a stuff for earning money, nothing else. They
Mm-hmm.
don't care about health. They
Even they are
they
not using those products and they are
yes,
advertising.
yes, yes, only for earning money. They
Mm-hmm.
don't care about what will happen if and you know what happened if any big personality giving any kind of advertisement on TV, then
Mm-hmm.
children easily like ready to eat. Mama, this is a good. This
Yes,
is a
right.
good. That's why it's coming on TV.
Yes, yes.
So at
But
that time, it's very typical to make them understand it's not good for our health.
right.
Yeah.
But sometimes it happens. For example, you have to choose any product. So when we see a product, they are advertising, and we have multiple products, we have
Hmm.
different brands as well. When it comes to choice, like you have to choose one. So you would think like that. Oh, this product is showing by like that celebrity, so it would be
Mm,
good.
good. Yes,
Yes.
it would be good. Yeah. But the reality is totally different. And
Mm-hmm.
nowadays, what is like people very who become a foodie and they are losing like real taste. They like healthy food, only going on for taste. Like nowadays, they are become having Maggie noodles and many more things in market like pizza, burger. These are not healthy, and we
Yes.
all aware about it. कि these foods are not good for our health. But
Mm.
most of the young generation, they are addicted of this kind of stuff only for taste. Yes, they
Yes. Yes.
don't care about health. These foods are not healthy. We know that, but we are still having lots and lots.
Yes. Yes, it is happening because now, everyone is using social media, and whenever we see a new thing, like somebody is
Now
eating
let's
this
try.
thing, so let's try. So
Let's
it's
try.
happened.
How
Even
is
I
the
do the
taste?
same thing most of the time. Whenever I see any new dishes who had shared in their stories and something, so I just see and I feel like that next time I would try this only.
Yeah, it's true. Everyone trying at home and having without care of health, without care of what is the consequences of these things after having just
We don't bother
running
about
after.
this thing.
Yes. And that is the reason we are facing lots of health issue. That is the reason we are facing lots and lots of health issue.
One thing about advertising something about the celebrity. For example, I was talking about celebrity endorsement. So,
Hmm.
it is good for, like, sometimes they show social issues. If I'll talk about polio abhiyan, you must have heard about this.
Hmm, hmm,
Amitabh
hmm,
Bachchan was showing.
hmm. Yes.
So that was a good initiative by him because he is, presenting the social issues. And I
Hmm.
have seen like sanitary one
Hmm.
by Akshay Kumar.
Akshay
He
Kumar,
was
yes.
so he
Hmm.
is spreading the knowledge about something. So in
Hmm.
that way, it is good, I think.
Yeah, these things are good, no doubt. Yes, some celebrities are still doing a good job, good work. But if I talk about the like any food item, any like household using item, that's are not good.
Especially about makeup products when you use, so
Hmm.
they are just showing that you will become fair or something like that, and it would be acne free and pimple free, so it is not really true.
Yes, it's totally waste of money according to me. I don't like this kind of stuff. Yes, earlier I was facing lots of skin issues. Yes,
Okay.
and
Mm-hmm.
I try lots and lots things. Then I realized it's not going to help me, and just then I try to drink more and more water, and that's really helped me. And take care of your food. What
Yes,
you
yes.
having? Yes, you
It depends.
avoid.
Like, yes, if you are doing anything naturally, so it is good, and we can't see the what our body and what our faces would react on something.
Yes.
So sometimes it
Yes.
is risky as well.
Yeah, definitely. They only want to earn money, nothing else. Yes, they don't care about what will happen if we are using this kind of product. Yes, no.
It is, I think it is good for, company who are producing this kind of product and they want to show in market, like how you would
Hmm.
know about that product. So this would be the great idea for company. They can show their product and their brand, like
Product.
it is
Yes,
good.
yes, and they will earn money because without showing the product, how is possible to grow their company and earn the money in market? So, yeah.
Yes, if company is launching some different product and we are
Hmm.
already using that product, for example, we are using some soap for a long time, and now company has launched some different soap. So how would you know that this soap would be good?
Good.
So they are just using this kind of activities, like celebrity are advertising their product, so they can easily spread the knowledge about that product in market.
So, which type of work you are doing? Like you are working, work from home.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, what is your work?
Okay, so I'm working in a software company. So I'm a
Mhm.
security engineer here. I have to secure the digital identities of the user. So I'm doing this kind of
Oh,
thing. Have you
okay.
heard
It,
about cyber security?
yes, yes, yes. I heard.
Yes, so I'm in that domain.
Especially in company. Yes,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
company secretaries.
yeah,
Okay.
right.
So there is no need to go to office. You can work at home. Yeah, that
Yes,
is also.
when I joined my company, so that time I used to go office, but during the COVID, I got this opportunity to work from home. And in
Hmm.
IT, most of the works we do only in our laptop, and we can do from anywhere. And
Hmm.
for example, if company is asking me to come back to office, and still I won't be able to meet with any of my colleagues and manager because they are living in a different state and different countries. So
Hmm.
I think there would be no point because I won't be able to meet my team members and my boss. So I think it's a good that I can work from home.
Yes. Yeah. It's a good, no problem. You can do your work anytime.
No, no, it's a shift time.
Oh, fixed time.
Yes. 8 to 9 hours it is fixed, like now like it varies according to the project as well. So now I'm working in a general shift that
It
is
means
9 to
every
6.
day you have a target
No, no. For
schedule.
example, now one project is going on. So their
Hmm.
project requirement is now I can work in a Indian time zone.
Hmm.
So I'm working in a like day shift. And earlier I had one project that was from USA. So I used to work in a night shift.
Oh.
In the night 2 a.m. till 11 a.m.
Okay, but one thing is good, you are working at home, that is a good. Okay,
Yes,
it
yes.
doesn't matter you are
But no,
working.
like I'm working from home, so that is good that I can manage in night as
Hmm.
well. But
Yes.
still, if they have work, so they will call you in office as well. There is no this kind of things that in night girls cannot go. It is not like
Oh,
that. They will provide you the cabs facility, but you have to go office.
okay, that's great.
Yes, but
Okay.
now it is going smoothly because I'm working from home.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so shall we wind up the session?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
And
thank you so much.
thank you so much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Same here. Bye.